Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can register as a CRC candidate, Cyber Republic Council member. In every year there's an election being held on Elastos, and everything is transparent, everything is published on the blockchain, including the vote and everything like that. In order to take part in the Cyber Republic consensus, there are 12 council members that are elected once a year. It's not exactly relative to the time. 1 year, I say 1 year, but it may sometimes be a little less than a year or a little more than a year. It depends on the number of blocks and how fast they are, but usually, give or take, it's around a year. Anyways, so there's a certain way that you need to register yourself first if you would like to take part in the election, and the election is coming up pretty soon, so you probably want to do the following, follow through here, so that you can see how you can register as a Cyber Republic candidate. So you want to open up your Essentials app if you haven't already downloaded. But the idea is you want to install Essentials app, you open up your Essentials app, and then from here what you want to do is you want to have enough ELA to register for the CRC supernode. Here you want to go to where it says CR Council. Whenever the election opens up, you will automatically see that there will be an option where you can register yourself as a candidate. For now, it may not be open, but whenever the election season is on live, then you should be able to basically register yourself. So here you click on CR Council, and then up above you click on Vote. There you see over there. And here you will see all the currently registered Cyber Republic candidates. Currently it looks like there are 10 here. At the top there's a plus button. You want to click that to register yourself. It'll ask you, it'll give you a warning if you really want to register, because remember that you need to deposit 5,000 ELA in order to register yourself as a candidate, because that's the stake that you put in order to become one of the council members for an entire year, where you get to vote on proposals and lots of other things that comes with the responsibilities as a Cyber Republic Council member. So on this warning screen, you probably want to hit OK if you are absolutely sure you want to register. And once you hit OK, it's gonna get you the election agreement. Here you want to press OK, and on this screen is where you basically put down your name that you would like everyone to see whenever someone goes to their voting screen, URL if you would like the community members who will be voting for you to go to a particular website that you own. It can be any website, it can be a Twitter, it really doesn't matter. It's a free form URL. It just needs to be a valid URL. A location, here I'm going to choose United States because I live in the United States, but you can choose any other country that you see there. And if I try to register, it says the URL input format is wrong because the URL is not valid. So I change that to .com and I confirm. This is where you will see where you'll be able to sign all the data. So basically the information that you fill out earlier, the name and everything like that, location, all of that, you'll be signing it with your own decentralized identity that is in your Essentials app. So you want to accept that because you do want to sign it, and it's going to ask you for your master password, and after it's successful, it's going to basically publish that to the blockchain. And that's pretty much it. It may take a while for your council member, well, your candidacy that you registered to come online, because it does take a few minutes for the blocks to be propagated throughout the blockchain. But that's the idea. Okay, I have registered already. As you can see here, I had 11,000 ELA before. Now I have 5,999. Here I'm gonna show you guys how you can, if you wanted to update your information of your candidacy, you can do that at any time. So again, you want to go over the council, go to vote, and then up top, and like there is no more plus button where you'll be able to register because you are already registered. but there is a menu button there. When you click on it, you can click update candidate. Candidate, what does it say? Let me see. Update candidate details or exit election. You can also exit the election at any time you want. So it's entirely up to you. And when you do that, when you exit the election, you're gonna get back your 5,000 ELA back. So that's the general idea there. So here I want to click on update candidate details because I do want to update it. Maybe I want to update my URL, so that's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna change from kp.com to kp.org. Again, you want to sign it again, and it's basically gonna publish to the blockchain one more time. And once that's updated, the community members who will come back to this page, they will be able to see your updated information right after that. So this is a very simple process of how you can register for the Cyber Republic candidate. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see everyone sign up for the election.